Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'll be doing a headband wig review, like something real quick, real short, like it's straight to the point. Guys, this hair was sent to me by Jessie's Selection, and I really like that cute bag that they send it in, and then it's in the box. I feel like that's super cute. I've never gotten like a hair packaging that looks like that, so that was pretty cool. They did send me this curly headband wig, and it is in a 26-inch. They sent me these headbands. I literally didn't like the floral print one, so I kind of just like went with the leopard print, or is that cheetah print, whichever one. But I got like some free lashes and some free wig caps. This is the hair. It's 26 inches in length. Guys, this video is like so straightforward. There's nothing much to say. The curls look really good. It's not shedding, really not shedding. It's a very solid it's a very solid headband wig. It has combs on the inside as well as the strap. Really nothing else. And guys, what I wanted with this was for it to look like supernatural, like, you know, like it could be my hair. So what I did my hair in like two little buns, I guess, at the back, and then I put the wig cap on, so all my hair is out. I didn't bother doing like braids to the back. I took those out because I wanted to leave a lot more of my hair out, so it looked like way more realistic, especially when I put it in like a ponytail. So this is the vibe. You can definitely not show your edges if you don't want to, but I wanted to, and this is just like my little way of making my headband wig look really realistic. And that's just by either pulling my hair to the back in a ponytail, or maybe in like two little ponytails, just to leave all of my hair out so it looks really realistic versus having nothing left out. And I also push the headband like all the way in the back of my head. If y'all can see, maybe not all the way in the back, maybe like halfway in, so it really gives you a more realistic vibe with all of like my hair out. And all I did was just like use a little bit of edge control and just like brush my hair down. And yeah, I'm going in with this headband. It's this cheetah print headband. And is it cheetah print? I don't know, cheetah or leopard, let me know down below. But that's the one that I chose because I didn't like the others, so that's the look. And I think it's just like super cute, super simple. Like you want to go somewhere real quick, grab something like this. It's no work whatsoever. And then if you don't know how to braid either, you don't have to braid your hair down, sis. You can literally just put your hair back in a ponytail and slap that bad boy on, and you are ready to go. I think it looks super cool, super cute, super realistic. And yeah, that's really it. I was going to do like a few styles, but the hair is it's really long, so I didn't want to like do all the extra stuff. Like honestly, I would really just wear it out just like this, or do a ponytail, and you'll see when I do the little ponytail, which just looks so good to me. It is human hair, so you can add water and add products, but I did not want to do that. I did not want my hair like weighed down and heavy. I literally just took my hand as well as a comb, and I kind of just like fluffed the hair up just a little bit, like separated it. But you can definitely go in and do like a curly girl method, a curly girl routine. I didn't want all those products in my hair, to be honest. I just wanted it to just look natural and just like, you know, like poofy. I like when hair like this is poofy. It just gives me a vibe, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks so good, and it's just giving you like natural, realistic vibes because I have all my hair like in the front. So guys, if you want your headband wig to look like way more realistic, then leave out a good amount of your hair and it'll give you that vibe. Bring the headband like halfway on your head and kind of wear like a half wig in a sense. If you don't want to, or if you don't have edges to do that, then you can definitely bring the band to the front and just put the headband over it. You don't have to show your edges, so it's like the best of both worlds. It's really up to you. And yeah, I really like this hair. I think it looks so good, and this is definitely like a go-to if I'm like headed out, if I got stuff to do and I'm just trying to look cute without doing all that extra work. I just pop this on and then we're good to go. Guys, all the information on this hair will be in the description box down below, so be sure to like check that out. And at this point in the video, like I hope you've already liked this video. I hope you've subscribed, comment, and just like share, like send it to your auntie, your mom, your sister, like anybody that be like, yo, if y'all don't know about wigs, like let me put you onto this, because this is like a really cool concept. And just like that, guys, I did a ponytail, and I literally just used like a strand of the hair to like tie my ponytail because I couldn't find a ponytail holder. So that's the look, and I think it looks so good. This is just like my errands look. Like if I'm like doing stuff outside, I'll definitely just like pop this on and I'd be really cute. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. It was short and straight to the point, just like how this unit is really straight to the point. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. I really love you guys, but you already knew that. Bye guys. Mwah.